So I've been working on another port/wine tongue for customer Michael Maddox, and I decided to do the handle ends a little bit differently than last time and figured I'd show that in this video. He wants to give this pair of port tongs as a gift. So if you try to twist rounds, nothing much really happens, and so I figured I'd put these intermittent fullered spaces in and see what results. So I basically want to make a decorative twist, but maintain some round within the twist. I need to give a big shout out to Scott Hammond for his recent, very generous donation to the channel. I also need to thank the usual suspects, Ron Thacker and Stephen Watkins, for their recent super thanks donations. This channel wouldn't be around without folks like you, so thanks Scott, Ron, and Stephen. So I just want to knock down any high spots and maintain the intermittent rounds as much as possible. Michael will gift this port tongue to a person with the initials ED. I've been working on yet another style of punch, and I should show that pretty soon. The cold or low heat punching has been working out pretty well for me, and so I want to continue along that line. This twist is interesting to me in that it makes you look twice. And it looks slightly different when viewed from different angles. Just a quick video today. I hope you can pick up something from it. Got a lot more fooling around to do.